Good man. What are you eating there? French fries with camale? Snow angels. We will show it.
I'm not a beginner. Enders go to the top of the mountain. I don't even need a little.
How is it?
מסלול קשה פשוט, ממש.
Snow in Georgia. So the question is, why it's always snowy in Georgia?
In the mountains.
The truth is, it might be as snowy in the mountains in Georgia.
All the
11. janvāris 2025. gads. Atvedas no tīģera Gudauri. Enjoying the most 2 minutes of silence.
Just make flowers and things. They make the dough. They make the form. Put the fruit. Put the filling inside. And the oven and done. Why does it take so long?